So in this lesson we're going to simply test our video and change the band and channel. If you remember in Betaflight we set it to Fatshark F4. So we've got our radio switched on here, okay, and it's on the Source 1 model, and we're going to power up the quad. I've got a fan on, okay, always a good idea to have a fan on. Okay, and that is switched on now. So if you don't have one of these monitors, you'll have to do it obviously in your goggles, but basically you're going to go into the settings of your monitor or your goggles and set the band and channel to F4. So you can see here I've already got this set to F4 and we have video, which is fantastic. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is basically how you will change your band and channel. So we'll just move this quad out of the way and get our radio in the way here. And generally we get into the VTX by going, okay, this is all controlled by Smart Audio, which we configured. So you go left on the throttle and up on the pitch, and then you've got here your all your settings in your OSD. So what we can do here is we can go down to features. All right, let's see if I can get that a bit better in the picture. So click right to go into that, down to go into VTX, and you can see we've got our band and channel set there. Okay, so you can see Fatshark 4, and we've got the power set to 25. So if we wanted to change the band and channel, which you might need to do if you're at a club and you're racing, okay, so you'd click on, let's say we wanted to go to Fatshark 5, okay, we'd go one across to 5, and you can set that, confirm it, and it'll lose the signal until you actually go and change your band and channel again. So what we need to do here is go into our channel menu. So that's actually set to D, which is Fatshark, ABCD. D on this is the Fatshark, and we'll set it to channel 5. Okay, hang on. There we go, and there we have it. All right, set to channel 5 now. So F5, okay, we didn't change anything else. And then just to, we can just exit out of this, back, and save and exit. And that's it. So, you know, we are now pretty much good to go. We can, you know, we've tested our quad already. We know that beeper's working. You've got your flight modes here. You've got to remember which ones they are. Can arm it. We need to have the throttle down to arm. And a good tip actually is whenever you plug in your quad, just make sure you've got your throttle up, because it's a precautionary measure that it won't suddenly arm. All right, so always have your throttle up. So put it down, and then we can see that our quad is arming, and then after that you get the statistics on your OSD. So that's basically setting up your video, and we're good to go with the video now.